Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download YouTube Shorts to your phone gallery. Let's begin. First of all, you have to open YouTube application, and then you have to click on your profile picture. Click on Settings, and then here you will see option Downloads. You have to click on it. Here you will find the first option, Download Quality. You have to click on it and select Ask each time. Now go back and open YouTube Shorts. Now, you have to select the short video that you want to download. So we'll select this one. You have to click on Share tab, and then here you will see the Copy Link option. You have to click on Copy Link. Now minimize this one. Open YouTube app again, click on Search bar, and paste the copied link here. Now you have to remove the last part of the link. The feature equals Share. You have to remove this one until the question mark. Then click on Search, and here, the YouTube Shorts video will appear in the search result. Under the short video, you will see 3 dots. You have to click on them and then click on Download Video. Now, select the quality of the video and then click on Download. Here, you can see the download has started. To see your downloaded shorts, you have to click on your profile and then Downloads. Here you'll see all YouTube Shorts you've downloaded. You can watch them anytime, whenever you want. Thanks for watching.